The 1974 Volkswagen Scirocco, Mk1 Type 53, was a landmark sports coupe designed by Giugiaro at Italdesign and assembled by Karmann in Osnabrück. Introduced a few months before the Golf I, it utilized the same front-wheel drive, water-cooled platform but served as a sleeker, sportier replacement for the aging Karmann Ghia.